Polkadot, DAB, generally has had a fascinating year. However, might it at any point reach $100? It's conceivable. When could we at any point anticipate that the token should hit this terrifically significant achievement? All things considered, after the fundamentally rankling cost rally in the initial 5 months of the year that saw Polkadot hit beforehand impossible levels, the crypto local area is persuaded that DAB has the stuff to reach $100, which is genuinely critical. For example, the continually refreshed Polkadot cost expectation by gov.capital shows that SPEC might penetrate the $100 target cost as soon as September 2022. However, cost rally isn't the main thing causing experts to accept SPEC is ready at a possible cost hop. Others incorporate the way that it fundamentally has been demonstrated to have one of the quickest developing crypto networks and engineer pools. All in all, are sufficiently these to drive spot costs above $100 and potentially $500. Critically, what will Polkadot be worth in 2025 in an unobtrusive manner? Polkadot, SPEC current cost. At the hour of compassing, Polkadot basically is exchanging at $27.07 on CoinDesk and has been trapped in a scope of somewhere in the range of $22 and $32 for the beyond 7 days. It truly has generally acquired around 3.97% as of now and truly lost sort of over 51% from its record-breaking essentially excessive cost of $55 hit on 4th November 2021. Incredibly, the token for the most part is as of now certainly positioned 10th on CoinMarketCap's positioning of biggest digital currencies, with a live market capitalization of $26 billion, with a coursing supply of 987.57 million spot coins. Strangely, however, Polkadot was one of the late contestants into the 2021 crypto frenzy that shows different digital currencies drove by Bitcoin ascend to remarkable levels. As most coins generally began revitalizing as soon as September 2020, Polkadot didn't marshal sufficient power to move a legitimate breakout until the primary 7-day stretch of January. As a matter of fact, be that as it may, enlivened by expanded engineer action on the Polkadot blockchain, Ethereum's, its greatest rival value run, and in general crypto market rally, DAB costs picked pace after January and just dropped after the vast accident in December 2021, which essentially is genuinely critical. Today, spot costs in a real sense are caught in a plunge. However, taking a gander at its genuinely progressive innovation and ongoing cost bounce, specialists are persuaded that the coin might be setting the base for the following meeting. Be that as it may, how quick can spot costs rise once more? And could they at any point reach $100? Thus, will Polkadot, spot, reach $100? Or so they thought. Crypto specialists and spot financial backers are persuaded that Polkadot is one cost rally away from breaking above $100. At the level of the November cost run, for example, most anticipated that SPEC should in a real sense arrive at this target cost before the year's end or mid-2022. Today, they are as yet certain that DAB will ultimately really reach $100. Yet they generally are forcefully separated on what amount of time it will require to arrive. For example, cryptocurrencyprediction.com, which involves specialized investigation to appraise future costs for various advanced monetary standards, certainly has one of the most hopeful perspectives on DAB's future costs. It demonstrates that spot will break over its ongoing all-time, especially high in the following 3 months, and reach $100 toward the beginning of September 2023. Crypto examiners at Compedia especially are likewise persuaded that Polkadot will transcend $100 in a significant manner. However, they can see it hitting this objective over the in every practical sense following couple of years. What's more, they are sure that quite a bit of this development will be driven by such on-chain joint efforts as interminable agreements with trades and noticeable blockchains. Their examination recommends that Polkadot might break over the ongoing all-time, most certainly high before the finish of 2022, and keep stretching out this worth appreciation to somewhere in the range of $101 and $126 toward the finish of 2025. Different crypto market watchers and DAB financial backers have likewise advanced their in general bullish cost expectations for Polkadot. Some have even felt free to guarantee that the altcoin has the stuff to stomp on Ethereum in the long run. Be that as it may, the ruddy expectations and past cost activity regardless, what does Polkadot's plan and maintainability say regarding its capacity to ultimately reach $100? Indeed, first off, Polkadot has a most extreme inventory of 1 billion spec coins. Getting to $100, accordingly, just raises its market by $100 billion, around 7% of the absolute crypto industry market cap, and knit exactly 50% of Ethereum's ongoing business sector cap. This says that dissimilar to other top 10 cryptographic forms of money like Dogecoin, whose enormous kind of most extreme inventory restricts their vertical development, spot can rise beyond $100, nevertheless keep a sensible complete valuation. Further, Polkadot likewise has one of the quickest rising designer networks. The blockchain has, for example, sort of more than generally multiplied its designer local area over the most recent a year. During this time, it has revealed a quicker designer onboarding rate than Ethereum or any remaining apparent Ethereum executioners, particularly Cardano or Filecoin, in a significant way. We have seen that both the greatest variables don't restrict Spec's vertical development and that its quick-moving organization development energizes a leap towards $500. However, would they say they are sufficient to get it to $500? Will Polkadot DAB at last really reach $500? There, in every practical sense, is a high opportunity that subsequent to breaking above $100, Polkadot costs will for the most part keep rising and perhaps reach $500. However, given the uncertainty and FUD that has at present certainly held the market right now, investigators can anticipate that it should arrive at this new objective cost sooner or later, somewhere in the range of 2025 and 2030, or considerably later. The wallet financial backer, for example, gauges that spot costs will most especially possible ascend to $156.013 by January 2027 in an unpretentious manner. What's more, given the rate at which the cost gauging site anticipates that spec costs should develop over the exceptionally next 5 years, we can securely fundamentally accept that it will explicitly hit $500 before 2030. Assuming it keeps up with this speed. The exceptionally bullish specialized examination report by cryptocurrencyprediction.com, in any case, demonstrates that spot costs might reach $500, certainly before 2030. It gauges that Polkadot will end the year 2025 exchanging at $368.03 and top at $790.48 in January 2030. Notwithstanding the speedy development of Polkadot blockchain's engineer pool and linkages with trades and blockchains, there really are a couple of different variables that specialists accept will assist with pushing spot costs past $500. These incorporate a supported DeFi blast, seeing that most conventions might scaffold to its organization for further developed execution in an unpretentious manner. Others incorporate the business's general execution and the course that the crypto market expects, as well as kind of conceivable standard reception as an Ethereum blockchain elective by both on-chain and off-chain brands, searching for a blend of low gas charges, better execution, and ETH-like security in an exceptionally large manner. What will Polkadot SPEC be worth in 2025? Determining the future cost of a digital currency really unstable and erratic, very troublesome in an especially